We're here at the Lakeshore Perimeter Trail. It's actually in Frisco. So Frisco's on the west side of Lake Dillon and Silverthorne is on the east side. And I don't see any bathroom facilities here at this location. But it's a gorgeous day. It's gonna be beautiful. Light winds. Sun's just now coming up. It's about 5:40, 5:45. It's about 50 degrees. Gonna get to a high of around 65 here. This is gonna be about a 5.5 mile trail today. Not a whole lot of elevation change. The hike is around a section of the lake. And so it shouldn't be a real tough hike. It should be pretty nice. There's several forks in the trail out here, so it's nice to have a GPS, or like I've got the Summer Global Hotspot. I've also got the Garmin InReach Mini, and it helps me to actually see the trails. I actually have cell service here, so I've been able to also use the All Trails app. There's an island here that's got real shallow water to get over there to it. Looks like a little great place to go hang out. So I'm looking to the northeast. That's Silverthorne and this, of course, is Lake Dillon, and then Dillon is over there. You probably may not be able to see it, but I think that's the Lake Dillon Marina. I'll zoom in on it a little bit. So there's the Lake Dillon Marina. And then here to the left is the Lake Dillon Dam. On the west side of the lake here, or this trail, there's a campground, so there's more people out here. But actually, when I was on the east side and north side, I didn't pass anybody. No mountain bikers, no hikers. It was actually pretty nice. But of course, I came out super early. I was on the trail about 5:45. I also met some rescue teams out here, water rescue teams, and they said they recovered 5 bodies out in the lake here. They've had 5 fatalities in the last 5 days. So Man, I guess you gotta really be careful out on the water. I'm not sure what that marina is called over there, but it might be the Frisco Marina. This has been the Lakeshore Perimeter Trail near Frisco, Colorado. Silverthorne and Dillon are on the other side of the lake, right over there. This is only about a 5.5 mile hike. It's actually pretty flat, and it's a great hike around the lake. Beautiful views. Best to come out in the morning. Thanks for joining me on another Colorado hike.